This is what happened when we went to Robert Fuller's gallery. It was very neat and tidy. The paintings were very, very beautiful. I enjoyed the background as well with the animal. It all fit all together. I was amazed to see this. I loved this partridge painting because it was cool, and the badgers, they were awesome as well. We got invited to the office. They showed us all the live cameras and what's happening that very moment, which was awesome. We met these guys as well, Will and Ollie. They were best guys to talk to. It was really nice talking to them. They showed us some snippets of future videos, which I can show you because one has been posted. The other I can't because of it hasn't been posted, so I like this video because it had a lot of behind the scenes footage of the swans, which I enjoyed. I'd like to give a shout out to Will and Ollie. They were very kind of letting us come into the office. They gave us a tour of the computers and what is happening. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is what you're going to see on my channel.